about that Alice in Borderland, bro. Season 2. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it on Netflix. I highly recommend y'all. Especially if you're into Japanese stuff and Japanese shows or anime. Go ahead and watch that, for real. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready for season 3. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Season 2 done been out that long. But I know the two main characters, which is the woman and the man, got a baby now. Cause they husband and wife, you know, and the husband is a therapist. And the wife, I'm not sure. But I'm ready for season 3 of Alice in Borderland, bro. For real. I don't know why. Yeah. This damn bone. But yeah, go ahead and watch Alice in Borderland season 2. But don't watch season 2 if you didn't watch season 1. Before you go on season 2, go ahead and watch season 1 of Alice in Borderland. Alright, y'all. But yeah, go check out Alice in Borderland. Go get my ebook. The discount's almost over. I might come with another discount. I don't know. We gonna see. But I'm gonna have more. I'm gonna have more products for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know. You know, you don't know yet. More than the ebook. It's just gonna be more products than the ebook. But the ebook is out right now. You know? I got y'all for real. But yeah, it's your boy checking out. And I'm going.